Electric toothbrushes have become more and more commonplace in bathrooms today. This is due, in part, to the steady drop in manufacturing costs, improved designs, competition among brands for market share, and most importantly, the final cost of the electric toothbrush at the store. You can purchase the latest, high-tech, rechargeable electric toothbrush for up to $140, or you can get a battery-powered toothbrush for as low as $2 or $3. The type of electric toothbrush you choose will depend on your specific needs and/or budget. Why an electric toothbrush? Studies show that using an electric toothbrush once equipped with a spinning brush head removes 10% more debris particles from your teeth, as compared to using a manual toothbrush. Studies also show that rechargeable electric toothbrushes, ones equipped with sonic technology or ultrasonic technology, can penetrate and remove plaque and debris 4 to 5 millimeters below the gum line. For people who have deep periodontal pockets beyond 3 millimeters on the inside or outside gum line, a sonic or ultrasonic electric toothbrush can be a very effective tool for flushing out those hard to reach problem areas. Regular brushing with a manual toothbrush cannot remove any debris buildup below a 3 millimeter sulcular depth. For people with limited movement in their hands or limbs due to arthritis, injury, or any other movement limiting condition, an electric toothbrush can indeed improve the quality of life. A sonic electric toothbrush such as the Sonicare, Braun, or Oral-B are excellent choices for people who wear braces, Sonicare being the popular choice. A battery-powered spin brush type electric toothbrushes are great for kids because they are easier and more fun to use than a traditional toothbrush. It can also greatly improve their oral hygiene. For those whose gums are receding due to brushing too hard, yes, it is possible to brush too hard. The aggressive style brushing wears away at your gum tissue, causing the gums to recede over time. There is a feature on some electric toothbrushes that address this condition. They have a built-in pressure sensor that will tell you when you're brushing too hard. When you get your electric toothbrush, you will naturally begin to use it as though it were your regular manual toothbrush. The traditional brushing motion, in addition to the boost of power, will clean your teeth, gums and tongue as never before. However, this is not how to use your electric toothbrush, especially if it's a Sonicare type brush. To unlock the cleaning and stain busting power of a sonic electric toothbrush, you must loosen your grip of the handle slightly and allow the brush head to glide along the teeth and gums, applying very little pressure. This slow and deliberate motion across the teeth and gum line will focus the cleaning power of the brush head on the desired area. A slow and deliberate motion should be used for the spinning head type electric toothbrushes as well. There are many different types of battery-powered and rechargeable electric toothbrushes to choose from. All have an effectiveness that is superior, in some way, to a manual toothbrush. Notably, the Sonicare electric toothbrush has been clinically proven to be highly effective at removing surface stains from teeth. This can also be said for most of the sonic toothbrushes as well. The Oral-B electric toothbrush has been praised for its excellent cleaning ability and ease of use. Some popular rechargeable and battery-powered electric toothbrushes: Oral-B Professional Care Smart Series 4000 Sonicare Flex Colgate Spin Brush. The downside of electric toothbrushes: there is a downside to rechargeable and battery-powered electric toothbrushes. If rechargeable electric toothbrushes are not correctly maintained, they may stop working altogether. Finding a repair center or buying a replacement can be costly and time-consuming. In addition, brush head replacement can also be a costly event as well. Even though they look and feel robust and solid, they tend not to last that long. One can get about 3 years of regular usage on average. Battery-powered toothbrushes usually take 1 or 2 AA batteries. This is only enough power to last about a week. They are also unyielding in the power department. Disposable electric toothbrushes also lack an ability. The Waterpik Complete Care Water Flosser and Sonic Toothbrush comes with a great electric toothbrush and a water flosser. Regular flossing with string is effective, but water flossing gets the job done even more effectively, blasting between teeth, beneath the gum line. It also is able to get into all the nooks and crannies of your back molars to remove sticky plaque, food bits, and bacteria. Waterpik has always been the top name in water flossers, but now the company has ingeniously combined a water flosser and an electric toothbrush in one convenient package. Just one cord to plug in and your toothbrush charges right on the water flosser stand. You will get a Waterpik Sonic Professional Toothbrush, which uses sonic technology to remove plaque from your gums and teeth. The brush has 2 speeds, a 2-minute timer, and soft bristles that clean your teeth very effectively without irritating your gums. The kit includes a standard brush head and a compact brush head for precision cleaning. The water floss's reservoir holds about 90 seconds worth of water. You can add a bit of mouthwash or regular salt with warm water in the reservoir for extra breath freshening effect. The water flosser tip delivers a thin, powerful stream of water that painlessly and effectively blasts away plaque and debris not just from between your teeth, but also from beneath your gum line where string floss cannot reach. You can set the water pressure to your liking and choose between 5 different types of tips. People who buy this unit are very enthusiastic about the Waterpik Complete Care. It has more than 5,200 reviews and an average of 4.4 stars on Amazon. I personally could not live without my Waterpik. I give it 10 stars out of a possible 5. I have had mine for many years and it is still going strong. While many users comment that it takes a bit of practice to learn how to use a water flosser without drenching your entire bathroom, most feel the device leaves their teeth and gums very healthy and clean. A typical comment: best dental hygiene purchase I have ever made. My teeth look and feel better than ever. Cannot recommend this enough. On the downside, quite a few buyers say the water flosser is loud. Pros: does not take up much counter space. Superior to string floss. Toothbrush is always charged and ready to go. Reasonable price. Cons: water flosser is loud. Potential for getting your bathroom wet. Good oral health is becoming easier to achieve with all the innovations being made with electric toothbrushes and water flossers. Cheaper costs and more variety are making electric toothbrushes more available to the masses. Investing in an electric toothbrush is like investing in your health. That's always a smart investment. For more useful information and tips, please like and subscribe.